Wordsmiths, hey, good to see you. I was just out in the wilderness gathering vocabulary words on a snowy mountaintop for this video. It's vocabulary time. I'm going to go through these words with you. I'll explain what they mean and how we use them. The words for this video are survive, endure, and extreme. Whoa. Let's start with survive. Survive. It's a verb. It means to continue to live or exist despite difficulties. You'll also see its noun form, survival, which means the state of continuing to live or exist despite difficulties. If I'd stayed out in that snowstorm, I don't think my chances of survival would have been great, I'll tell you what. Endure. Endure. Another verb. It means to experience something unpleasant, to suffer through. And this one also has a noun form, which is endurance, which means the ability to keep doing something difficult and tiring for a long time. And finally, I ran out of space, starting over, extreme. Extreme. Yeah, it's an adjective. It means beyond what's usual or ordinary, strong or intense. When I was a kid, they started putting extreme sports on TV, like Jeff Broccoli is going to climb this mountain blindfolded, extreme, that kind of thing. It's already beyond what's usual to climb a mountain, but Jeff is going to do it even more dangerously. And speaking of dangerously, there's also an adverb form, I want you to know, a modifier for verbs and adjectives. Extremely. It means very, but like a lot. An extremely deadly snake is way more dangerous than a somewhat deadly snake. Or a barely deadly snake. Oh no! For our word origin corner today, I want to focus on the word survive because it contains two interesting word parts. First is sur, which means over or beyond. You might see that in words like surpass, which means to pass beyond someone or something. You have surpassed me as a sword fighter. Or surrender, which means to give over, right? I surrender, I give up. You can have my boat, Ms. Pirate Captain. The other part of survive is vive, which means to live. If you speak Spanish, you might know the word for live, which is vivir, or in French, vivre. So revive means to bring back to life, vital means required for life, and survive means to keep on living, to live beyond a thing that could have killed you. Nicely done. Let's hop into some example sentences. When I was a boy, I survived a shipwreck. Now I'm so afraid of the sea that I don't even salt my pasta water. He made it through, right? The shipwreck did not end his life. He continued to live despite the difficulties of the shipwreck. But now, the sea, it haunts him. At Thanksgiving dinner, Jaime bravely endured 4 hours of hearing about tax law from Uncle Albert. It does not sound pleasant to sit through 4 hours of tax law lectures from your uncle during a holiday. In fact, it sounds horrible to me, and I like talking about the law with friends and family. But not when there's mashed potatoes. Jaime went through something very unpleasant by enduring Uncle Albert's lecture. All right, last one. Stranded atop Mount Thunderbolt, we made it through some extreme weather before we were rescued. Mount Thunderbolt. That weather does sound extreme. Man, I gotta figure out where that's coming from. But this weather is beyond what might be expected. It's dangerous, it's super strong, super intense, nothing but storms. Which is why we must assume the mountain is called Mount Thunderbolt. All right. I'm going to put on some tea, wordsmiths. A pot of cinnamon tea and a good book on a snowy night is just about the best thing in the world, I think. Until next time, you can learn anything. David out.